Okay, crew. How everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be sweet potato pound cake. And here are the ingredients that you would need. We're going to start in the back. You're going to need sugar, vanilla, baker's joy, cake flour, cream cheese, sweet potatoes, eggs, butter, cinnamon and nutmeg, which is optional, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. And if you'd like to see this full video, please stick around. Okay, crew. In the mixing bowl, I have 2 sticks of butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to cream that together until it becomes light and fluffy. And guys, I hope y'all enjoy this video. This won't be the only sweet that y'all will get. Y'all also get sweet potato pies. I think $1 million pie. What else, babe?
Pound cake.
And a peach cobbler and a pound cake. So yeah, we're gonna kick out these Thanksgiving treats for y'all, for the crew. You have 4 large eggs. You have 2 cups of sugar. You have 2 cups and a half of sweet potatoes. You have 3 cups of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of regular salt, and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg and cinnamon. And the nutmeg and the cinnamon is optional if you want to put it in there. So we got that put together. We're going to add our sugar. And once we get this combined well, we're going to go in with 1 egg at a time. Then after the eggs, we're going to put in our sweet potatoes and we're going to combine that well. Then we'll start adding our dry ingredients. Hey, can you get me that little bread pan? We're going to add 1 egg at a time just until it's mixed where you don't see no yellow, no yolk. We're going to add 1 more egg. After this, we got 1 more egg to go. So we're going to turn that off. We're going to scrape down our sides. And our center also. And we're going to add our 2.5 cups of sweet potato. We're gonna slowly add our flour mixture. Okay, family. We have that mixed up. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes. And all the ingredients and the complete recipe will be inserted here and also in the description box. Okay, we're gonna take some Baker's Joy and we're gonna spray the pan. And I also put in the vanilla, and I folded that in off camera. I forgot to show y'all that step, so don't forget to do that. But the full recipe will be available for you guys. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour and 10 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes until a toothpick come out the center clean. And this is what it look like. And once it's done, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, crew. Here's the sweet potato pound cake. I allowed it to bake 1 hour and 15 minutes at 350 degrees. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video, comment on the video, and click the bell and set post notifications to all. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.